Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get into the Ticketmaster waiting room in 2026 the right way. Now, if tickets keep selling out before you even enter the queue, this updated method is going to help you get in faster and avoid the mistakes. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on ticketmaster.com. Afterwards, simply log in into your account if you haven't already. Now make sure that you do all of these steps 15 minutes before ticket sale alert. Now being logged in early, avoid the delays later. So here in the search bar, you just have to simply search for the event. And here, as you can see, it is showing me a bunch of different events. So among these, you just have to select your event and you need to come here or open the event page. Now, when you want to purchase the ticket, simply stay on that particular page. After that, about 10 minutes before the sale time, you will see a message that would say waiting room will open soon. So when you see that particular option, you just have to simply look for the button that says join waiting room. So when you find it, immediately click on it. Now stop clicking and don't refresh the page. So Ticketmaster will automatically move you into the queue when sales begin. The important thing that you need to keep in mind while doing it is that do not open any extra tab in your web browser. Do not use any of the VPNs for this, and always pause the downloads or streamings if you have enabled it. So what this is going to do is it is going to keep your page loading fast. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.